Hola, so we're going to continue with the future tense. Now we will go over the irregular verbs or to talk about what something or somebody will do or what will take place in the future. So these two verbs, as we see here, are irregular verbs in the future. So the flight to Arica, which is a city in Chile, will be delayed generally. So saldrá demorado. Los pasajeros tendrán que esperar más de 2 horas. So the passengers will have to wait more than 2 hours. Okay, so let's get started with these irregular verbs. So there's categories of what happens to each of them. For example, decir, that's to say. Hacer is to do or to make. So these two we drop here. We drop the EC to make it the future. Diré, right? Hacer, we drop CE. So here we drop EC and here we drop CE. Hacer, ¿sí? Haré. And then diré, dirás, dirá, diremos, diréis, dirán. And then haré, harás, hará, haremos, haréis, harán. They all need an accent except for nosotros in both verbs. This is silent, so it's going to be haré, harás, hará. Okay, let's see the second category. Here, the E or the E, like here, and this one, of the infinitive ending is replaced by D. Okay, so we're going to put a D in all of these verbs to form the stem of the future. Poner is to put, salir, to live, tener, to have, venir, to come. Okay? So let's see. Poner, we're gonna drop the E here, and it's gonna be pondré. Pondrás, pondrá. Salir, we're going to drop the E. Saldré, saldrás. Tener, we're gonna drop the E. Tendré, tendrás. Venir, we're gonna drop the E. Vendré, vendrás, and so forth. The third category. So the E of the infinitive ending is dropped to form the stem of the future. And so here we're gonna drop this E, all of them. Haber is to have, poder, to be able to, querer, to want or to desire, saber, to know. So let's see how we drop this one here. Habré, habrás, habrá. Poder, podré, podrás, podrá. Querer, we drop this one. Querré, querrás, querrá. Saber, we drop this one. Sabré, sabrás. Okay, so let's work with this activity. We need to complete each sentence and with some information of arrivals, departures, and all of that. And in this case, it's departures. Okay, so first sentence says no, so something negation, a delay on the flight to La Serena. So not something with delay. And then number 2, los pasajeros, so salir a tiempo. The passengers leave on time. So the ones that make sense here, it would be no habrá. No habrá. There won't be a delay on the flight to La Serena. And the passengers will be able to leave on time. Podrán. Okay, so here's an activity that I prepared for you to practice these verbs, these irregular verbs, in the future, so you can work and play with them a little. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, chicos!